Hello everyone and welcome to the Stimulsoft YouTube channel. Today I will show how to use multi-column labels in the parameter drop-down list. Open a report with parameters in the designer. Click Preview to display the report. Previously, the parameter drop-down list could contain only one label for each key. Go back to the report design mode. Select the variable in the directional panel and click the Edit button. In the variable editor, click the Edit button in the Items section. In the Labels field, choose the data column whose values will be used as labels. Click OK in the Items editor. Then click OK in the variable editor. Click Preview to display the report. Now the parameter drop-down list contains a multi-column list of labels. Please note that the report generator passes only the first label to the report. If you found this helpful, do not forget to like our video and subscribe for more tutorials. Bye!